Imagine turning a simple $5 entry into hundreds over time. With DigiFantasy, that's not luck. It's strategy powered by data. DigiFantasy compares sportsbook lines to DFS apps like PrizePicks and Underdog, showing you where the value really is. With the DFS optimizer, you can instantly see which plays have a positive expected value. The fantasy scores tools makes it easy to find discrepancies in player projections, and the DFS middling tool can even set you up to win on both sides of a line. For players who want it done for you, the AI sleep generator creates pre-built sleeps with the highest profit margins, so you don't waste time digging for plays. Don't waste entries by guessing. Use DigiFantasy to make smarter plays, and let those $5 sleeps start adding up. Click my link in the description to sign up and get started today.